Welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into XRP and Ripple, a hot topic in the financial and crypto worlds. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether Ripple can become the new global financial system, what needs to happen for that to become a reality, the likelihood of it happening, and most importantly, how it could impact the world and XRP holders. Stick around, because this might just change how you think about the future of money and finance forever. Let's start with the big question. Can Ripple actually become the backbone of the global financial system? Ripple, through its XRP cryptocurrency and RippleNet technology, aims to revolutionize cross-border payments by offering speed, low cost, and efficiency. Traditional financial systems, such as SWIFT, are often slow, expensive, and outdated. Ripple offers a blockchain-based alternative that can settle transactions in seconds, rather than days, with minimal fees. Financial institutions are increasingly exploring blockchain solutions, and Ripple is positioned as a key player with partnerships across major banks and payment providers. But for Ripple to truly become the standard, it needs to overcome significant challenges and gain widespread adoption. For Ripple to become the backbone of the global financial system, several key factors must align. Regulatory clarity is a major hurdle, with governments and financial bodies still determining how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Ripple's legal battle with the SEC over XRP's classification highlights the need for clear regulations recognizing it as a legitimate asset for cross-border transactions. Mass adoption by banks is crucial. While Ripple has partnered with institutions like Santander and American Express, broader adoption requires trust and seamless integration into existing financial systems without disruptions. Interoperability with current payment networks like SWIFT is essential. Ripple must ensure smooth integration to avoid friction and facilitate widespread use. Scalability and security are critical. Ripple must handle high transaction volumes efficiently while maintaining robust security measures to prevent cyber threats. Building trust among financial institutions and the public is key. Transparency, reliability, and efficiency will solidify Ripple's position as a viable alternative to traditional systems. In summary, regulatory clarity, bank adoption, interoperability, scalability, security, and trust are essential for Ripple to achieve global financial dominance. Love what you're watching? Show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, and every click gets us closer. Your support helps us create even more amazing content just for you. Stay tuned and join our awesome community today. The chances of Ripple becoming the backbone of the financial system are promising, but like everything, not guaranteed. Here are some key points to consider. Ripple has secured partnerships with over 300 financial institutions worldwide. Countries like the United States, Canada, India, Brazil, Thailand, and their central banks are exploring the use of Ripple for their digital currency initiatives. The growing trend of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, aligns with Ripple's vision of fast and affordable cross-border payments. However, there are challenges to consider. Competing blockchain solutions like Stellar, XLM, and traditional financial networks might push their own innovations. Regulatory uncertainties could slow down adoption or hinder Ripple's expansion into key markets. Resistance from existing financial players who may view Ripple as a threat to their business models. Overall, Ripple has a strong chance, but it needs to navigate these challenges carefully. If Ripple successfully becomes the global financial system, the impact would be massive for the financial world, XRP holders, and inhabitants. For the world, cross-border payments, which currently take days and incur high fees, would become near instantaneous and cost-effective. Developing countries with limited banking infrastructure would benefit greatly from Ripple's low-cost and efficient payment solutions. Blockchain technology ensures that transactions are immutable and trackable, reducing fraud and increasing trust in financial systems. For XRP holders, as adoption grows, the demand for XRP is likely to increase, potentially driving up its value significantly. XRP would transition from being a speculative asset to a functional bridge currency for global transactions. XRP holders would benefit from broader acceptance and recognition as a legitimate financial tool. For the inhabitants of the world, instant transactions would redefine commerce. Borders would fade, enabling seamless global trade with minimal fees. Small businesses in remote areas would thrive, accessing once unreachable markets. Financial inclusion would skyrocket, empowering the unbanked with fast, secure digital payments. Governments would adapt, reshaping policies for a decentralized economy. However, banks might resist, struggling to maintain control. Sounds good, right? So, now you watch this video and have all the info you need to know. Why should you care about Ripple and XRP? Whether you're an investor, a finance professional, or just someone interested in the future of money, understanding Ripple's potential is crucial. The financial world is evolving rapidly, and Ripple could play a major role in shaping it. If it succeeds, XRP could become one of the most valuable digital assets in the world. If you've made it this far in the video, you're already ahead of the curve. Drop a comment below and let me know if you believe Ripple has what it takes to become the global financial system. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth crypto content. Until next time, keep exploring and investing wisely.